Hello, viewers. I'm Mr. Dilip Kumar Pal. Stand before you with a topic disability. So far as disability is concerned, in this video, two aspects of it have been focused. One is the meaning of disability and conditions or symptoms of disability. It is found in plus 3 fifth semester ethics and value paper, and the name of the ethics and value paper is vulnerable sections of society understanding their issues. But before I discuss meaning of disability and its symptoms or conditions, I want to inform my viewers that the name of my channel is at the rate Dilip Kumar Pal 9375, where you will find videos from plus 3 first semester to 6th semester political honors, videos of plus 3 first semester to 5th semester ethics and values, videos of plus 3 first semester to plus 3 second semester political and general elective, and some videos of environmental studies of plus 3 first semester, and political science videos of plus 2 first year and plus 2 second year. Any topic you want, just write my name Dilip Kumar Pal and the name of the topic in YouTube or Google. You'll get bilingual videos in English as well as Odia. Let us start. Meaning of disability. What is the meaning of disability? Disability is a major problem relating to human beings. Disability is a major problem relating to human beings. Human beings face a lot of problems. Among these, disability is a major problem. According to a report of WHO, World Health Organization, published in 2023, 1.3 billion of world population consists of disables. On the basis of World Health Organization report of 2023, in the world, 1.3 billion people are disabled. Out of world population, 1.3 billion people are disabled. It is estimated that 1 out of every 6 person in the world is a disabled. It is estimated that 1 out of every 6 person is a disabled. Or around 15% of the world is a disabled. Or around 15% of the world population consists of disabled. 1 out of every 6 person is a disabled. And in the world, approximately 15% of the world population are disabled. In India, 2.21% of total population or 2.68 crores are disabled. In India also, 2.21% are disabled. Out of total population, it is estimated that out of total population of India, 2.68 crores are disabled. So, disabled is a major problem. So, what is the meaning of disability or disables? Meaning of disability. The term disability or PWD, persons with disability, is known in many names like specially abled, paramilitary, Divyanga. The term disability or PWD, persons with disability, is known in many names like specially abled, paramilitary, Divyanga. The term specially abled is used for disabled, means someone who has different capability than the average persons. Disability or disables are otherwise known as specially abled. Specially abled means they are abled in different way. They are abled in different way. The term specially abled is used for disabled means someone who has different capability than the average persons. Specially able means someone who has different capability than the average person. So specially able means those persons who are specially able in some sphere. The term specially able is used for disabled means someone who has different capability than the average persons. So specially able means someone who has the different capability than the average persons. Then the term paramilitary, the term paramilitary, the term para ability was also used for disabled. Means persons not having full ability. The term para ability is also used for disabled. Para ability means those persons not having full ability. Para ability means those persons who do not have full ability, they are known as para ability. The term para ability was also used for disabled means persons not having full ability. Para ability means those persons who do not have full ability, they are para ability means they are also disabled. They do not have full ability. Again, Government of India used the term Divyanga for disabled. Government of India used the word Divyanga for disabled means persons who are possessed with divinity or possessed with divine organ. Government of India used the word Divyanga for disabled means persons who have divine organ. Divyanga means persons who are possessed with divinity or possessed with divine organ. A persons who are possessed with divinity or divine organ, they are also disabled. The terms like crippled and handicapped are also used for these people. The term crippled or handicapped are also used for these people. So, disables, for disability, many terms are used like specially abled, para ability, divyanga, crippled and handicapped. But what is the meaning of disability? The term disability means physical or mental condition that limits a person's movement, senses or activities. Disability means the physical or mental condition limits a person's movement, senses or activities. The term disability means the physical or the mental condition which limits a person's movement, activity and senses. So the physical or mental condition of the person which limits his activities, his movements, his senses is disability. In other words, disability is an impairment or condition of being unable to perform certain activities like normal person. So disability means impairment or a condition of inability to perform something like a normal person. So disabled means a person who is unable to perform like a normal person. A disabled person is not only unable to perform his work but also is unable to interact with the world around them or unable to participate with others, which is known as participative restrictions. A disabled person is not only unable to perform some functions like normal person, but he is unable to interact with people around him. A disabled person is a person who is not only unable to perform his normal function like a normal person, but he is unable to participate with other persons. In this context, United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Persons with Disability defines the term disability as long-term physical. In this context, United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with disabilities define the term disability as long-term physical, mental, sensory or intellectual impairment that faces various barriers for full and effective participation of the individual in society on equal basis others. So United Nations Convention on Disability define the term disability as long-term physical, mental or sensory or intellectual impairment that faces various barriers for full and effective participation of the individual in society on equal basis of others. So United Nations Convention on Disability describe disability as long-term physical, mental, sensory and intellectual problem which restrict a person to make full development. So disability is a long-term physical, mental, sensory, intellectual problem which restricts a person to take part in normal functions or which restricts a person to make full development. It restricts a person to make full development like others. The term disability includes impairment, activity limitations and participation restriction. Disability includes three things. One is impairment, number two, activity limitations, number three, participation restrictions. Disability has three aspects. One is impairment. Impairment means impairment or condition of being unable to perform is a problem in body function or structure. Impairment means there is some problem in the body structure of a person so that he is unable to function like a normal person. There will be problem in the body, impairment. The impairment means a condition of being unable to perform is a problem in body function or structure. Impairment means there must be some problem in body structure or in the physical structure of a person. Number two, then activity limitations. An activity limitation is a difficulty encountered by an individual in executing a task or action. Activity limitation means a difficulty which a person faces in executing a task. An activity limitation is a difficulty encountered by an individual in executing a task or action. Activity limitation means a problem for a person to execute his work. Finally, a participative restriction is a problem experienced by an individual involvement in life situation. Participatory restriction is a problem experienced by an individual involvement in life situation. So, participatory restriction, participation restriction means a problem in a person to take part in a life situation. A participatory restriction is a problem experienced by an individual involvement in life situation. Participatory restriction means a person will be unable to involve like others in the society. So we are clear about the meaning of disability. Now see, conditions or symptom of disability. What are the conditions of disability or symptoms of disability? Number one, inability to do a work. Whenever person is unable to do a work, it is a disability. Number two, easily distracted means inability to concentrate. Inability to concentrate. Easily distracted means when a person is unable to concentrate on a work, it is also a sign of disability. Number three, poor time management skill. Whenever a person will have poor time management skill, he will be unable to complete a work in accurate time. It is also a disability. Fourth, difficulty in preparing class assignments. Whenever a person will face difficulty in completing the homework, class assignment is also a sign of disability. 5. Difficulty in understanding the subject. When a person will face difficulty in understanding the subject, it is also a disability. Finally, difficulty in assessing in a physical environment or difficult to adjust with the physical condition. Whenever a person will face difficulty in adjusting with the situations, difficulty in difficulty in assessing in a physical environment or difficulty to adjust with physical condition. Whenever a person will face difficulty to adjust himself with the physical condition, it is also a disability. So in this video we discussed meaning of disability and symptoms or conditions of disability. So I request my viewers to subscribe my channel at the rate Dilip Kumar at the rate Dilip Kumar Pal 975. So new videos will come to you, and aware of your friends about this channel. So a lot of students will be benefited. Remember, a single help to anybody will not go in vain. It is a work of a human being. We live, let others to live. Thank you. Have a good day.